You're gonna like this, because I have to mount this and everything. Paperwork. Turn this box upside down. And I have a brand new 2-axle buffer. Look at that. And it's got a base, a bolt-on base, and this is going to be so nice. I'm going to be mounting it to this piece of angle iron. I'm going to put mount a board to this piece of angle iron and mount this to that, to the board and through the angle iron, and then this will, actually I'm going to use this edge because as you can see here, this side's tapered, this side's flat. The flat side will go in the vise, which is already bolted to the bench, and then the buffer will be on top of it, and that'll leave the buffing wheels sticking out in the open air where I can use them. It'll be great. But I'm so looking forward to using this. I thought about building my own buffer, but I could not buy the parts, not even close to the parts to build my own buffer for the cost of this buffer. So hopefully it works out well. It looks nice. Looks like it should do the trick. I can't wait to get things ready for plating using this equipment I just got. Last time I checked, there was about 7.8 billion people on the planet, and everyone has their own way of doing something, and if only one of those people is right, well then, you know, the odds of me actually doing something right are pretty much non-existent. 7.8 billion to 1 that I'm going to do it wrong. So, this is how I'm doing it. This is my cure for a small shop. How you do it? Probably different. And your chances of being right are just as good as mine. So, enjoy what I'm doing. Do it if you like. Do something else if you like that better. Yeah, I've really got a small shop, and I reckon I'm probably not doing this right. I know there's some channels out there that, man, they do such nice woodwork. They route all their edges. They stain everything. They sand for hours and hours, and I'm just not doing that on this project. This is, you know, I mean, it's a bracket. I'm holding a buffer to a vise. You know, I mean, I'm doing a little every day because a lot of littles make it big, and I just don't have the time to just build everything to the nines. Well, that's not working. So let's see what we can get to work. Well, it looks to me like this is going to do the trick. Now I got the wire wheel up nice and high here, and when I put a buffing wheel on here, it'll be nice and high, and I'll be able to clean different items up and make them shiny and polish them and do the things I want to do. It's pretty much what I expected, and it's working the way I wanted it to. Thanks for watching. I hope you come back and watch another one.